Flashcards, Set 2. Colors, objects, and shapes. Brown. Shapes. Circle, rectangle, ellipse, triangle, square, oval, quatrefoil, curvilinear triangle, pentagon, parallelogram, heart, rhombus, trapezoid, star, hexagon. Colors: yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple, brown, black, white, green, gray, pink, blue, yellow, red, orange, purple, pink, gray, black, white. Daily routines, food, and 5 senses. Wake up, wash my face, have breakfast, do exercise, take a bath, clean the floor, go to school, go for a walk, do the laundry, water the plant, play outside, brush my teeth, eat dinner, play with toys, eat lunch, read books, dance with music, swim in the pool, eat a snack, take a nap. Milk, smoothie, cheese, pudding, yogurt, ice cream, cucumber, tomato, broccoli, potato, bell pepper, corn, sweet potato, spinach, mushroom, eggplant, carrot, onion, watermelon, banana, kiwi, orange, pear, cherry, passion fruit, mango, apple, cracker, peach, grapes, pasta, rice, cereal, spaghetti, egg, fish, bread, sausage, tofu, chicken, steak, beans. I can see a dog, touch a pin, touch sandpaper, see a rainbow, see a friend, see a flower, see a fish, hear music, hear singing. I can hear crying, hear laughing, hear birds chirping. I can smell a flower, smell an orange, smell popcorn, smell perfume, smell a skunk. I can taste a strawberry, taste a lemon, taste bread. I can touch a kitten, taste broccoli, taste cheese, touch a cactus, touch ice.